हेलो गाइस, आप देख रहे हैं अपना अपना चैनल फाइनेंस लेंस चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। Dear investors or dear subscriber, I am very sorry that last week I could not upload any video relating to investment. Actually I was not well, but now I am actually recovering but still suffering with my voice, so kindly bear with my voice. Hope so you have checked the thumbnail of this video. Today video is not about investing the money in stock market, not even investing the money in mutual fund, not related to investment. It is actually related to earning money by workout. Is that possible? Do you think?
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे।
So today I would be introducing to you a workout app that help you to reduce your calories, even help you to count your steps and the kilometer you have spent on your workout, and it gives you money on the workout kilometers, like how much kilometer you have traveled. On that proportion you'll be getting an amount, and that will be donated to a charity. Is that possible? Do you think? Let's check it out.
मैं नहीं मानता।
So the name of this app is Impact, IMPACT. You can download this app for different operating system from your respective app stores. So I would be also providing the link in the description box for downloading this app. This app calculate your steps and convert it into kilometer, like how much step you will be taking, it will be converting into kilometer, and on that kilometer it will be converting into currency. Like you even have the option of choosing the currency, like which currency do you which state which country you are living in. You can choose for that respective country the currencies. Like for India you will be choosing a rupee, so it convert the steps into kilometer and then it convert into rupees. This rupees actually is not you'll not be getting in your bank account. So when you're doing your workout, you just need to keep this app there will be a function called run in background. So you just need to on the run in background, and after that it will do all the functions by itself. You just need to keep in your pocket and you need to go for a workout. So this app actually how it functions, this app calculate your steps and it convert into kilometer. So when it convert into kilometer, on that kilometer you will be getting an amount, but this actually amount will not be coming to your bank account. Like you have to they'll be giving a amount and you can donate for charity, like a different purpose which are available for donation. Like you can donate this amount for different charity purpose. So after your workout you will be getting an option to donate, like donate where do you want to donate your workout, how much money is converted, like it will be converted, the kilometer will be converted into a real money. So on that money you will be getting, you can donate to charity purpose. So this app is quite good app, like it gives you a motivation. This app actually help you to work out, like you can work out when you keep this app run in background mode. So it records how much kilometer you have spent on that workout. It even calculate your steps, even calculate your calories burn. So that is the basic, but the best part of this app, after the workout you'll be getting an option to like convert it into a cash. Like you'll be getting how much kilometer you have traveled. On that portion you can convert it into a real cash. So you'll be getting an option of converting into a real cash. After conversion you'll be getting an option to donate, like after you're getting how much money you have converted on your workout. So you'll be getting an option of donating, like donating for charity purpose. And actually it is a trustworthy app, it is not a fake app, it is actually a trustworthy app. So why I am doing this promotion? Actually it is not a paid promotion, but actually I find this quite app convenient enough, so that's why I would like to introduce it. So now the question arises, like if you are doing your workout, it convert into cash, so from where does the money goes to the charity? Like we are not giving the money, so from where it comes to the charity? So let's see from where the money comes to the charity. Money mostly comes for the charity. Okay, yeah, money mostly come for the charity. Like there will be NGO registered on this app. They will check all the documents. Is the NGO convenient enough, and how it has been functioned in the past. So on that they'll be registering in this app. And company mostly company who pledge to give their CSR. Like CSR is corporate social responsibility. So company will be pledging to give as a corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility means a company like would like to spend a percentage of their profit to the society, like where they have been working in the past, so they would like to contribute to the society. So this is actually a mandatory compliance under the Company Act. So company come up with a CSR initiative. So when we work out and when we convert it into cash, so this fund actually goes from the company, like corporate who have been registered here. Like there will be many partners registered on this app. So the company convert this, like they will be giving the amount to the NGO as a CSR initiative. They will be providing to the NGO, and the NGO will be providing to the needy people, like where they would be utilizing for the useful sense. So actually this app is a quite good app. Like it gives you a real motivation for the workout. So with this app, it is quite a good initiative. Like it gives a person who needs to work out, it give a motivation, like they will be getting a motivation for working out. And it also provide a monetary help, like monetary financial help to the people who need it. So like I find this app quite good and quite convenient. So so that's why I thought of introducing it. Hope you like the content, and do try this app. Do try it once, how it functions. It will really give you a motivation for your workout, and it will provide a monetary help to the people who need it. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.